Imagine working non-stop, 24 hours a day, for over a week. You don't eat, you don't sleep. Your only task is to sculpt sand with your own body. You flap your fins, digging and pushing, moving grains of sediment into a precise repeating pattern. The final structure will be more than 10 times your own body length, an elaborate mandala on the seafloor. And you are doing all of this for a single fleeting chance. For years, divers off the coast of Japan would find these formations, some 2 meters in diameter, without any clue as to their origin. They were nicknamed mystery circles, ephemeral monuments appearing and disappearing with the ocean currents. Their precision was baffling. How could something so geometric, with evenly spaced radial ridges, form naturally? The answer, it turned out, was not natural in a chaotic sense, but biological. The artist was a fish barely 12 centimeters long. The creator is Torquegener albimaculosus, the white-spotted pufferfish. The male of the species is the sole architect and laborer. He uses his fins and body to plow through the seabed, painstakingly carving out valleys and building up ridges. He even collects and breaks up shells, using the fragments to decorate the peaks of his ridges. It's an act of obsessive, instinctual engineering, a marathon of construction that pushes the animal to its physical limits. This circle is not merely decorative. It's a machine. The complex pattern of ridges and valleys serves a crucial hydrodynamic function. As ocean currents pass over the structure, the outer ridges act as a buffer, slowing the water speed over the center of the nest by nearly 25%. This creates a calm, protected zone. But the inner ridges do something even more clever. They are designed to funnel water and, with it, the finest grains of sand towards the absolute center. This process of sediment sorting creates a soft, oxygen-rich cradle of fine silt in the middle. This is where the female, if she is sufficiently impressed, will lay her eggs. The fine sand is gentle and prevents the eggs from being damaged or swept away. The male has essentially built a functional piece of hydraulic engineering to create the safest possible nursery for his potential offspring. The entire grand design serves this one tiny central point. The female pufferfish is a discerning critic. She will visit multiple nests, carefully inspecting the architecture. What exactly is she judging? Researchers have found a direct correlation. Males who build larger, more complex, and more uniform circles are more successful in attracting a mate. A messy, asymmetrical, or small circle is simply ignored. She is looking for perfection, for an unmistakable sign of quality. This structure is what biologists call an honest signal. The immense energy required to build and maintain it means that it cannot be faked. Only the strongest, healthiest, and most persistent males can complete such a monumental task. The geometric precision itself is a proxy for genetic fitness. A male capable of creating a perfect pattern is demonstrating a superior ability to manage complex tasks and sustain effort. He is literally showing her that he has good genes, written in the language of sand and water. After a successful mating, the female lays her eggs and departs. The male stays to guard them for about 6 days until they hatch, and then he leaves. The nest, the product of over 200 hours of continuous labor, is a single-use structure. He will never use it again. The ocean currents quickly erode the pattern, and within a few days, the seafloor is flat once more. The masterpiece is gone, as if it never existed, until the next breeding season begins. But how does it achieve this? How does a fish create perfectly straight radial lines and a consistent circular form with no tools or reference points? Its brain contains no protractor, no compass. The answer likely lies in a simple but elegant behavioral algorithm. By starting at the center, swimming in a straight line for a certain distance while digging, and then turning at a consistent angle to repeat the process, a radial pattern emerges. The fish might be using its own body length as a ruler, and the sun or magnetic fields as a crude compass, an innate geometry hardwired into its brain.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.